Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the second episode to create photography website using Flexbox. In the previous episode, we cloned the project from my GitHub account and checked the preview of the site we will be building. Today, we'll work on header and navigation. So first, open your text editor and open index.html. Remove this h1 tag and instead add the header comment. Then for header, let's add header tag with the ID called header. Then we need div with a class called container so that all the content comes at the middle, just like this one. So add div with a class called container. Then for logo, div with a class called logo. We need anchor tag for logo, and the name of our logo is photography. Likewise, for navigation, let's add nav tag with the ID called nav, and on the nav tag let's add UL, li and anchor tag. The first link is home. Then let's copy this li and paste it 2 more times. The another link we need is about and contact. So let's add about. The link for about would be about.html. Then we need contact, and the link would be contact.html. Refresh the site now, and our HTML is now ready. Now let's work on CSS. So open your CSS folder and open your main.css. I want to open them side by side so we can see both index.html and main.css. The first CSS I want to write is for container div. So let's add dot container. And first property I would like to add is margin 0 auto. We then need a max weight. So let's add max weight 1170px, and finally let's add padding left and padding right to be 15px. Refresh the site again, and this time the content is at middle. Great. Now let's keep this logo and navigation side by side. To do that, in the parent element we have to add display flex. First, in main.css, let's add the comment for the header. Now, for logo and navigation, the parent div would be div class container. So in CSS, let's add dot container and add display flex because this is the parent element. Now, if we use display flex in container, it might affect for all container. So let's add ID header at the beginning so that it would apply only for headers container. Refresh the site, and they are now side by side, but the only problem is navigation should be far right. So let's add justify content and space between. Refresh the site again, and this time it is looking nice. Now let's vertically align the content as well. So let's add align item and make it center. Great. Now let's style this logo. We might need to add text transform uppercase and some font weight. So in the logo class name, we will add a property text transform uppercase. We will add some font weight of 600, and then we will apply the font size of 20px. Refresh the site again. Now let's remove the underline and add some color. So in the anchor tag of logo, we will apply text decoration none and black color, which is #333. Refresh the site again, and this time the logo is matching to the design. Great. Now let's work on this navigation. They need to be side by side. So again, in the UL tag, let's add display flex. Refresh the site. It is side by side now. And let's also add text transform uppercase as well, so that all the letter would be capital. Nice. Now let's apply some style in this anchor tag, like padding, color, removing underline, and so on. So in the anchor tag, let's add padding of 20px, add display block, then to remove the underline, add text decoration none and apply the black color. Refresh the site. Now let's add some hover effect as well. So in the hover, we will add the background, and the background color would be #F4 F4 F4. Refresh the site, and now when hovering we can see the background color, but in the demo we got some effect over here. To add that effect, in the anchor tag, let's add the transition, and we want to apply transition background, so add background over here, 0.3 second and linear. Refresh the site again, and this time we can see the smooth animation over here. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on this hero section. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and see you soon.